Guys, this is the new Dominar 400 and look at the dashboard, man. That's how the dash looks. Somewhat kind of the same. Got a kill switch, headlight, high beam, low beam, headlight on and off, GPS mount over there, and a phone charger, USB charger. And apart from that, you get a display over here as well as the gear indicator. See? So one of the major additions that they've done here, guys, is यहाँ पे इन लोगों ने एक grab rail डाल दिया है. It looks pretty bulky and big. See, and the grab rail also has this top rack पीछे with an additional backrest. That's how the tail lamps look. Sari guard. Guys, this time you also get some handguards. The DRL unit is same as it was, but here a new addition is the windscreen. This is nice. So that's how the view looks now with the windscreen. And also down here, another major addition is the bash plate. I think this is an aluminium unit with some plastic panels on the side.